Hey there, Jamila Johnson here. Thank you for joining us. I am super excited to share with you some information about what it is that we do to help people get life-changing results. And we're doing this all from the comfort of our own homes from our cell phones. So we all have problem areas, right? For some of us, we desire to lose weight. Some people are wanting longer hair, some want tighter skin, more sleep, and some just want more energy. But at what cost are we willing to get these results? Most of us want great results, but we want it without any side effects, right? What if I told you you could get great results just like the ones here in these pictures? Imagine products that are going to give you great results that are safe, easy to use, high quality, and most importantly, affordable. What if I told you that you can get all of that by partnering with a company that's family owned and operated, open in 23 countries and growing, and completely debt free? Well, that company started with one product. That product is the wrap. You may have heard of it. You may have seen it on social media. Maybe you've tried it. One thing I know for sure is we all have the same question when we first see the wrap. Does it really work? Absolutely. Yes, it does. In fact, if it didn't work, we'd have to change the name of the company from It Works to something else, right? So you're probably wondering, how does it work? Well, it works to tighten, tone, and firm your target area in 45 minutes. And we've sold over 60 million wraps to date. So all of our products are products that people are already using, such as coffee. A lot of people are doing some form of a nutritional or juice cleanse. A lot of people are drinking pop or energy drinks. All we're asking you to do is make simple and healthy swaps. Take a look at these pictures here. These are pictures of some amazing results. Total body and health, as well as hair transformations right here, right? And these people got these results by doing just that, making simple and healthy swaps. And you can do that as well simply by trying some of our products. Right here we have 3 of our most popular packs. All of our products can be purchased individually. However, these products have been put together in packs because they've been designed to synergistically work together to deliver maximum results. Now the 5, 15, and 30, those numbers represent the number of days of products in each pack. Now you can pick your pack and you can save 40% on those packs by becoming a loyal customer. Once you become a loyal customer, not only are you getting those savings, but you're also going to get several other perks as well. Now you may say, I'd like to try it, but I also want to make a little bit of extra money on the side as well. And you can do just that. In fact, what I want you to do here is take a look at this chart. Find your number on this chart, the number that's going to make a difference in your life, and set a goal for that. So for some people, that number may represent groceries or gas. For some people, that number represents a family vacation that they've always wanted to go on. And for someone else, it might just be, you know what, I am sick and tired of having more month than money at the end of the month, right? Whatever your reason is, know that you will not be alone. You'll have the support of a team and a 30-day plan designed to jumpstart your business. So what I want you to do right now is get back with the person who invited you here. Let them know that you're ready to get results, whether it's as a loyal customer to just try it, or you're someone that says, you know what, I want to try it, but I'm ready to make some extra cash on the side as well. Whatever you choose, know that we are so excited to welcome you into our family so that you can start getting results whether it's health results or more income.